Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki expressed the hope that Polish businesses would participate in the reconstruction of Ukraine based on a new Marshall Plan. Looking at the new security architecture that we must build together with Ukraine to deeply orient the entire energy policy. We are organising wise aid together with the United States, hand in hand for Ukraine, so that it will survive as a sovereign state. And it was the foreground that, as we remember from Polish history textbooks and Polish literature, we were. Head of the Polish government emphasised that as long as Russia is waging a criminal war in Ukraine, it could not be considered a business partner for Europe. Poland is not only in favour of freezing this crime-based Russian capital, but we are also in favour of its confiscation and the appropriation of this capital from the Russian Federation, Russian oligarchs, for the reconstruction of Ukraine. Work is also underway to prepare a Polish-Ukrainian treaty. The current priority is to create an appropriate legal framework that would facilitate the cooperation of Polish and Ukrainian businesses. First, Poland adopted the law on Ukrainians, giving them similar rights to those we have in our country, apart from political rights, but also the response of Ukraine, which was to adopt the same law concerning Poles. Business, apart from direct support for Ukraine from allies, is an important element of building security. The strong Polish-Ukrainian alliance slightly changes the position of our region in Europe and strengthens it greatly. Today, Polish and Ukrainian entrepreneurs can meet each other and exchange information and observations on the Ukrainian market. When planning cooperation in the field of business, one cannot forget about the current military needs of Ukraine. We have a specialized international donor coordination center. We are responsible for the transfer of this equipment to the territory of Ukraine. We are also responsible for training Ukrainian soldiers to use this equipment, which is a new technology. There is no shortage of willingness to develop mutual business projects. We are talking not only about the past, but also what Ukraine needs now, at least when it comes to shelters where people can shelter their lives. We really want Ukraine to be able to develop further. It is a great opportunity for Polish business. We are close here because we understand better what the Russian invasion is.
We are very appreciated the government of the Republic of Poland and our partner from ZPP and another business association. What you decided organize this conference not after the war, not after our victory. We believe in this together. But now we need to be prepared for the reconstruction, the rebuilding of Ukraine.
According to the Ukrainian government, the World Bank and the European Union, the reconstruction of Ukraine after the war will cost at least €400 billion.